There's a secret dinosaur inside of this slime. And it just spilled all over my kitchen counter, so let's find out which dinosaur we got. Okay, it says it could be either one of these. Which one you think it is? Put your guesses in the comments. Let me know which one you think it is. Look, I don't know if that's the tail or what, but it looks kind of creepy, right? It looks like a worm. Ew, what is that? Let's get this dinosaur out of here right now. We're gonna pull him out very carefully not to break his neck. Oh, no. Look at this. He looks nasty, like he's coming out of somebody's stomach. Ew, it looks like an alien. I feel like it looks nastier in real life than it do in the pictures. They should have never done this. Imagine a poor kid just trying to get this dinosaur out of here. This is definitely from Dollar Tree, yo. It's called Dino Slime and Fossil.